Girl, I have to say that I was absolutely 100% influenced to try this mascara, okay? I generally have short lashes, but I do love a mascara that can promise that my lashes will look fantabulous, okay? So when I saw this video, although she had very long lashes to begin with, I was shook because of this one thing that I always thought was very odd about other lash primers. Oh, I also ended up doing a 13-hour wear test, okay? In gloomy, drizzly weather. Yes, like we did all of that. So if you want to see this product and what it's gonna look like on me, let's go ahead and jump into it because you should see this, okay? And I'm being very careful not to get it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Guys, I was absolutely influenced to try this mascara. So I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw this video and I thought, I watched the whole thing and I thought, okay, honey, this mascara looks really, really good. One, I don't think I've ever heard about this brand. Two, I've never tried any products from them. And three, you are trying to tell me that this mascara can do this for you? Mama needs to try it. So I made my way over to Ulta. Luckily for me, it was literally at the register, the checkout counter. So I picked it up and today we're going to try it out. This right here is the Dibs Double Standard Primer and Mascara Duo, okay? It says that it's a lengthening tube and primer and a volumizing black mascara. The thing that really shook me about the primer is that it's not white. I love a good lash primer, but most lash primers on the market right now are white. You see me, I'm very dark, right? So if I put a white primer on my lashes, it looks very prominent. I absolutely understand that a white primer on the eyes helps you see exactly where your lashes are and you can apply the mascara exactly where it goes. But sometimes when you don't apply the mascara very well, the white parts of the primer still shows through and that is a problem. So whenever I saw this primer was brown, that absolutely got me, okay? That was the main reason why I wanted to try this primer, just to see what it could do for me. There are two sizes. One is a mini size and it retails for $19. This is the full size that retails for $31. I don't know if this is the mascara revolution we've all been waiting for, but we're gonna try this mascara for 13 hours just so we can see what it looks like. It says that you can go from natural clean length to volumizing bold lashes all with one product. And I can see why, because it is a double-ended product. It's flake-free and smudge-free, and it's saying that it's for all-day wear. It's claiming to give us 12 hours of wear, and we're not gonna get flaking or smudging. Like, my eyes get watery, okay? I'm very skeptical about this. Now, it says that you can apply the primer, wait a little bit, and when the primer gets tacky, that's when you go in with the mascara. So you're not supposed to wait for the primer to dry down completely before you go in with the mascara. I'm actually using the one size finishing powder. It says you can add as many layers of the mascara as you want to your lashes because it's gonna give you gorgeous, fanned out, beautiful looking lashes. The other interesting thing is that the spoolie on the mascara is described as wavy, and because of that, it's supposed to be able to catch all of your lash hairs to help it look good, okay? Like, honey, this mascara claims a lot. And the people that I've seen use this mascara absolutely love the bananas out of it. Do not tempt me with a good time, okay? If I can get gorgeous looking lashes without me trying too hard, yeah, I will do it. I will do it. You don't have to threaten me with a good time. According to the scripts I've seen on this mascara, it washes off with just water. No makeup remover needed. No cleansing oil needed. Just water. That had me questioning that what if I wear this mascara and my eyes are watery? What if I wear this mascara in the rain? What if I start crying? Is this mascara going to just slide right off? Because we love a good waterproof mascara because we don't want to end up crying and then the mascara just slides off our face or smudges all the way down our eyes and we look a bit raccoon-like. We do not like that look. I don't think you like that look either. So when the opportunity opportunity came for me to try this mascara in a not so dry weather. I jumped on it, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you me using this mascara on bare face without any makeup, and the way my skin is looking right now, chef's kiss. A lot of you are asking me to use the CosRX Snail Mucin. Luckily for me, I went to Marshall's and I found CosRX Snail Mucin. I bought it and I actually put some on, and that's why my skin is so glowy right now. I love it. So this is a brown primer side. The spoolie on here is actually very small. So I'm applying it, waiting a little bit. I need to make sure that my lashes are entirely primed, okay? I went ahead and opened the mascara side. Now, to my surprise, do you see how gigantic this spoolie is? This is a very big spoolie for a mascara. Saw the spoolie, scared me a little bit, but of course, we moved because we came here to try the mascara. I had to put it on. I had to put it on just to see what it was gonna look like. I just love how easily it's coating my lashes. Everything is going on smoothly. Everything is going on beautifully. And it just looks so stunning right now. My lashes look very fanned out. They look very thick. I am here for the girth. I'm looking at my eyes right now and it looks like I did individual falsies. Now, this is what it looks like applied on both eyes and also on my lower lashes. Honey, you cannot tell me nothing because my eyes look phenomenal right now, right? Like I absolutely love the way my eyes are looking. And what we're gonna do is just go about our day and see what we get out of it. Now, the only thing that I noticed was that my eyes were a bit runny. So when I touched this part of my eye and I looked at it, I could see specks of the mascara on, and I was afraid that it was just gonna start sliding off my face. So I tried very, very hard not to touch it, just let my watery eyes just water down and dry down, and so I can see what was happening. After a long 13-hour day, now before I show you what my final result after 13 hours looked like, let me show you under these 4K lights what this mascara looks like on. This is the brown primer side, and like I said, I love the spoolie for the simple fact that it gives me a good flat side to catch all my lashes and a good long side to fan everything out. So let's go in with this tube-in primer and brushing the lash hairs down. Also, why do we all just raise our brows when we're applying mascara? Okay, now we're going to brush it up. Can you see anything? It's a brown primer, so I don't know if you will be able to see anything, but this is what it's looking like. I can see my lashes are looking a little bit better. Like it's even more visible on that light brown side than my regular lashes that are supposed to be dark. Like, I don't mind this at all. It's natural to me. It's natural in my opinion. It's showing lashes, but it's not showing dramatic lashes, which is what they call the clean, natural length of the lashes. Like, you know, builds up the lashes a little bit, but not too thick and not too black, okay? Let's apply some on the lower lash line. They said to wait for it to get tacky before you go in with the mascara side, so I'm just gonna help it along. Okay, do you see a difference in the lashes? I definitely see it. And I hope it's coming across on the camera because I can see that there's a difference. Now, let's take the mascara side. What I have been taught to do is apply the mascara going down first. And I'm being very careful not to get any on my skin. And then apply it going up. This is what it's looking like instant drama, instant volume, it's very instant. Like as soon as I applied it on, look at the difference in my eyes right now. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Let's do the lower lash line or lower lashes. Why do I keep saying lower lash line? I will help it dry down faster with a fan. But anyway, let's do this side. It looks so good. Like I'm beginning to understand why a lot of people who really know how to apply mascara don't wear falsies, because this by itself looks stunning already. I don't want to do it again, but I feel like if you felt like you needed more volume, you probably could go back in and do it again. But I digress. This is what my eyes look like. Dibs double-ended primer slash mascara. I didn't even know that my lashes could look like this. It's lifted, it's flipped up. This is what it looks like now, applied, and this is what my natural lashes look like. Huge difference between the two. After a long 13-hour day, this is what my lashes look like, okay? I'm gonna tell you in real time what I think about it. Ignore the bathroom because, like I said, I'm getting 3 kids ready for school and it's going to be a mess, okay? Few of the clumps fell on the lower part of my eye. My eyes were watering all throughout the day. So mascara did stay on. The time is now 10:25. As you can see, 10:25 p.m. It's time for me to wash my face and go to bed. It's saying that it can wash off with just water. I like what it made me look like. It made me look a bit more put together without me being put together. You know, if I did all of that and the mascara still looks like this 13 hours after the fact, it's not bad. This is it for me being fully influenced to go try the Dibs mascara, and this is what my eyes look like right now. I went ahead and used setting spray and everything, and the lashes are still standing exactly where we put them. The question is, after seeing this mascara for 13 hours of wear, running errands with 3 kids, getting piercings, eyes watering, drizzy weather, are you convinced that this is a good mascara? If not, let me know down below in the comments what other mascaras you use that are giving you gorgeous looking full glam lashes, because I absolutely do want to try it out. Will I be using this mascara, you ask me? The answer is yes. I definitely will be using this mascara often and probably going to be putting this on my table to use until I come across something that might be better. I like that it's a primer that's brown that I can pair with other mascaras. I like that I can wear it with no makeup on and not worry about white lashes peeking through. I like that my lashes look beautiful, voluminous, and gorgeous. Now, as far as it sliding off with water, yes, I did try it out and I was able to just rub and the mascara came off my eyes. I love that I was able to get clean eyes straight out of the shower without me needing to use like a Q-tip wipe or anything to get extra or excess or leftover mascara on my eyes. I love that for me, and in like a regular drizzy weather running back and forth between buildings and between the car, my lashes did not look as bad as I thought they would. I can't tell you what your lashes gonna look like if you get caught in like pouring rain. I don't know what it's gonna look like, okay? I don't know what it's gonna look like if you're looking up into like a drizzy kind of a weather and you get a lot of moisture on. I don't know what that's gonna look like for you. In like a regular drizzy weather, if you're not rubbing your eyes or touching your lashes or anything, the mascara should stay just fine. So that is it for me showing you the Dibs Double Standard Primer and Mascara. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe down below and turn on your notifications so you get notified next time I upload a video. Okay, a lot of you have been telling me that you've not been seeing any notifications when I upload a video, and I think it's because your YouTube, your actual app YouTube notification is turned off on your phone. So if you turn on your notification for the app, you will get a ding when I upload a video and you'll be able to see me as soon as the video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.